It's a new year, a new me. I try, but I'm so guilty. A dragon of the past. Lord knows we've all done that. Resolutions are the same. Think it can, but it's hard to change. One step forward, then two back, then lose track. I'm just looking for a clean slate. Got too much on my plate. Tired of carrying all this weight. Need a breakthrough or a break. Tried to run, trying to hide away. Don't know how much I can take. Hell, maybe I ought to pray, but I can't find the words to say. I'm just looking for a clean slate. Clean slate.